Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's PamLaShawn. So today's video, I am going to be giving Kyron's bedroom a facelift. I did show you guys in a previous video, and I'll list that link right at the top up here, where I was showing kind of like what I would be doing to his room and the things that was going to be taking place. I showed you all that there was some lights up here and it messed up the ceiling, so we had to go ahead and take those down and also repaint. I also showed you guys where there was a crack in the ceiling and we had to get that fixed. Right here, what I'm showing you is where the paint kind of went over to the ceiling from the area that they were painting. So we went ahead and just repainted the whole ceiling. There was a lot that kind of took place. I replaced the yellow light with daylight light bulbs, and the dresser that belonged right there, I went ahead and put it back since I redid Jeremy's dresser. So a while ago, a couple of videos ago, I showed you all where I deep cleaned his bedroom, the blinds, and I just pretty much got everything clean. I did not clean out the closet, so that's what we're doing right now. It's just going in and recycling old shoe boxes, donating old things that he does not need or wear anymore. So once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and put his room together. If you have not already, guys, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so that you do not miss an upload from me. I do upload cleaning videos, makeup videos, and hair videos from time to time. My channel is family based, so if that's what you're about, I would love for you to subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot of things within the next couple of weeks, so I hope you guys are ready. Make sure you subscribe. Okay, so here are the sheets that I picked up from Target. This is a fitted sheet and a flat sheet. The only thing is that Kyron does not have a box spring like Jaden and Jeremy did. So I don't need to put a fitted sheet on the box spring. He just have the top mattress, and he have the same mattresses that I ordered for Jeremy. The mattress in the bag, he has the same exact ones. We have 3, so that just goes to show you guys how much I like those mattresses, the foam mattresses, because we have 3. He has one at the bottom, one at the top, and then we have one in Jeremy's room, and you guys saw me take that out the box and everything and put it on his bed. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting these on, and this is by Threshold in the size full, and it says organic sheet set. So here we go. Okay, Kyron's room is going to be a little tricky. I'm not taking any clips out. I'm going to let you guys see how hard it was for me to put the fitted sheet on the bed. So with that being said, I'm not adding the flat sheet. I'm not doing it because I want him to get in the habit of making up his bed every morning. And that's going to be too hard for him to try to put the fitted sheet on and all of that. So I have a solution for the top bunk, because I think that's where he will be sleeping, because Jeremiah will sleep at the bottom. But I'm not going to put a fitted sheet at the bottom either. I'm not doing it. So what I'm not putting a fitted sheet, the flat sheet at the bottom. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to think of another plan, because that's going to be too difficult. And then not only that, I almost fell. Okay, I almost broke my butt trying to make up this bed. So we're not doing that. That's completely out the question. We're going to continue making up the bed, but I'm not using the flat sheets. I'm still going to use the pillowcases, but not the flat sheet. Okay. Okay, so these are the quilts that I'm using on Kyron's bed. The same as Jay and Jeremy's, just in a different color. Actually, this is a little bit different. It's more textured. You can see some like little triangles in here, and I don't think that Jaden and Jeremy's bed didn't have this, so his is a little different and a little thicker. So this is it, and he has 2 of these. Kyron's room is causing me problems. Okay, he has two beds in here, so it's double the work and double the money. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the bed, but on his bed I'm not going to make it up like at the top bunk. I'm not gonna do it like I did Jaden's and Jeremy's, because his is a little more difficult, like I said. So I'm just gonna take it and open it up just a little bit and just kind of lay it over the bottom. I'm not going to make up the full bed, and that's the reason why I'm just gonna pull it through here and just kind of let it hang on each side. Y'all do not laugh. I know y'all know my legs are not long enough. I am short. I'm only 5 feet tall, so don't be laughing at me. Okay, so these are the pillows that I got to go on his bed, throw pillows. These are by Threshold, and it's a 24 by 24. Yeah, 24 by 24. So I have 4 of these, 2 for the top and 2 for the bottom. I also have 4 of these. These are by Threshold also, and these are 18 by 18. So these are going to go in front of the blue pillows. Okay, so this is the top bunk. I'm not going to do anything else to it, which it really wasn't too much of anything to do to it anyway. I do have a throw that will go on the bottom bunk, but not the top bunk, because it didn't make sense to put it up here. But this is the finished look of the top bunk. I'm out of breath, y'all. I'm standing on top of the bunk bed. Y'all can see my legs aren't long enough to reach the bottom to find out how to get off of here, but this is the top bunk. I'm going to show you all how the colors came together on the bottom bunk, because this one doesn't have the throw. Not only that, it's kind of hard to get up here to show it, so I'm going to show you guys towards the end how it came out. Okay, so this is the last thing that will go on the bed. This is the throw that I picked up. It's actually blue and white. So I'm going to put this on top of the quilt at the bottom so that it can bring the colors together from the top and just make it all tie in together. Okay, so something that I just recently started doing, you guys, I've stressed how much I like the clean linen smell with Glade, but I also like the Limoncello with Bath and Body Works. The two mixed together smells really, really fresh and spring and good and everything. So I put one of each in every room. That's what I've been doing for the past week. But this one, the one from Bath and Body Works, I actually use this in all the bathrooms and the laundry room because I just like the smell that it gives off. It smells really lemony, so I really like that. And for the rooms, I just mix all the other rooms, even my husband's office, I mix it with the Glade. Okay guys, so here it is. This is the final look. It looks so good and well put together. I love the different patterns and textures. And here's the bed if I didn't show you guys up close. This is what made me want to go with gray and the cream color. So I just wanted to show you all that. Look how good this look against each other. Adding the blue in was a good idea. And bringing it down to the bottom with this blanket that I use as a throw was a good idea. So let me show you how it looks up close and personal. Look at that. Different textures, different pattern. I mean, it just looks really, really good. I'm not finished yet with decorating the rooms. I still have a little ways to go, but everything is starting to come back together the way it was when I redid the rooms a while ago, but I think this time it just looks better. So that is it, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed the video so far. Let me know what you think of how the room came together. If you guys have any ideas or anything like that, feel free to leave them below. I'm not one of those people who can't accept constructive criticism or ideas from other people. But other than that, you guys, I hope that you subscribe. I hope that you click the bell and join the family. And I'm really enjoying making these videos, so I hope that you're enjoying watching them. Other than that, you all, I'll see you on the next video.